Prime Minister is very meticulous in his approach towards what he does. Today's cabinet meeting also started. It started at 10:40 and it went on up to 1:50 without even a minute's break. And it was only 3 days back. My health secretary will remember that we had another meeting of the Council of Ministers where all the ministers of cabinet and the state ministers, ministers with independent, virtually every minister, and all the all the secretaries of the government. They were all together at a platform, and we had a 9 hour long meeting. 9 hour. For you, it would be like appear to be an exaggeration, but it's a fact. It was. 9 hours meeting, and there were just two breaks, one for about 30 minutes, another one for about 15 minutes. That's it. And he does these such meetings every month. He has been doing it for last five years. And these meetings are actually cabinet meetings. We discuss the new agendas, the new things that are discussed and converted into decisions of the government. But these long meetings that I am talking about, which we had only on this Saturday, these are the meetings which happen at least once in 1 month. And there, in that meeting, everything that is decided by the government at any forum, everything that is said by any minister as a part of his duty to convey the decisions of his ministry to the people. Even a full stop or a comma of that is monitored jointly by everybody. Like if it is my decision or my ministry's cabinet decision, it will be monitored by everybody. All the secretaries of the government and all the ministers. So every minister, every secretary, he is in sync with everyone in the government. So there is I would say, the super extraordinary synergy in the system. And that's the way our Prime Minister works. That's the way he inspires all of us to work, and that's the way he inspires the party workers also to work for the cause of the society, for the cause of the nation. And after 5 years of my close association with him as a cabinet minister, we have known him for almost 30 years. I think more than 30 years I have known him. But I have known him as a prime minister only for last 5.5 years. And after having seen his working, and the way he thinks, the way he absorbs good ideas, the way he plans, the way he converts an idea given by anybody, anywhere, into a government program, and then he converts it into a visionary action program, then he converts it into strategies, then he ensures that those strategies and that vision is implemented. And it's not only that it's done up to this level, then how that whole vision is implemented and how that is monitored meticulously. And the extreme of that meticulous monitoring is this meeting about which I was talking to you, which sometimes lasts for 9 hours, sometimes lasts for 7 hours, sometimes it lasts for 5 hours. But 5 hours is the minimum. When you become a doctor, from lakhs of students who appear for the competition, that only a few thousand they get into the medical colleges. And then when again you start planning to become a postgraduate, you start appearing in competitions, and then again out of those thousands of those who get their graduation MBBS degree, there's only a few who would get into the post-graduation courses. And there also, I think you are from those thousands of students who are certified as postgraduates through the National Board of Examinations. You are the few ones who got this gold medal in the various specialties. So indeed, it's a very, very privileged moment. And I always tell doctors that to become a doctor, it's a privilege, it's a blessing of God. It's because of the great blessings of your parents and of course because of the hard labor that you have put in. But to become a good doctor, that is a challenge. So we have become doctors, you are fortunate, you have become a postgraduate, you have got a gold medal now. But the next challenge is to become a good doctor. The young generation of professionals like you, they have this huge responsibility to rise to the occasion and live up to the expectations of everyone, your parents, your teachers, and the great medical professionals. You see all these gold medals that you got. I was just trying to, means most of the names that were taken, whether it is this name or that name, to whose memory these gold medals are dedicated. They were very, very distinguished professionals. They were the professionals of the highest order who committed themselves to society, nation, mankind, alleviation of sufferings of the poor persons, and who maintained the highest levels of probity in their profession, who ensured that they will with utmost dedication, sincerity, honesty, fulfill the aspirations of the society. So that's why they became great doctors, and that's why we are all trying to remember them by honoring such young professionals whom we feel that they can probably live up to their expectations.
Download Tarang online radio app from Google Play Store.
You are listening to Tarang Devotional Online Radio.